Behold, this enchanting realm known as Earth, where mysteries unravel and wonders abound. Our quest leads us to the mystical device called the microscope.
Ah, yes, the microscope, a tool of great power and insight. Let us embark on this journey together and uncover its secrets.
Let's talk about the parts of the microscope and their functions. Observe the base, firmly rooted to the Earth, supporting the entire structure. It's the foundation upon which our journey begins.
Right above the base, nowadays, the flow of current ignites a radiant light, replacing the mundane mirror, which used the celestial light source, the sun or fire.
Now, witness the brilliance of the stage, where our microscope slide rests, as if holding the key to unseen realms. It can be moved up, down, left, or right to adjust the viewing position.
And behold, the lenses, guardians of clarity and revelation. 3 or 4 objective lenses, each with its own magnification powers, generally 4x, 10x, 40x, and 100x.
The eyepiece is the gateway to visualize the magnified image.
The diaphragm is the part that controls the amount of radiant light that passes through the specimen.
And the coarse and fine focusing knobs, the enchanted levers that sharpen our perception, aligning the world within our view.
Let the light of the room, guided by our cosmic influence, traverse the path through the object, the lenses, and the eyepiece till it unveils the image within our mystical vision.
And wait, before we dissipate, let us immerse ourselves in the language of microscopy. Know the terms object and image, for they are the keys to unlocking understanding.
Object, the embodiment of truth, the very essence we seek to observe. And image, the magnified ethereal reflection that dances before our eyes, revealing the secrets hidden in the microscopic realm. In this case, the object is the blood of a sacrificed goat, and the image is as seen in the picture.
Well, as the image takes form, let us explore the grandeur of magnification, where the infinitesimal becomes grand. Magnification is equal to the power of the objective lens multiplied by the power of the eyepiece. So, for example, if you're using a 10x objective and a 5x eyepiece, your total magnification would be 50x. It's as simple as that. The image size divided by the actual size also gives us the magnification.
Yet, we mustn't overlook the significance of resolution, the delicate art of distinction. Closest 2 points can stand, yet remain separate. The fine threads that weave the tapestry of detail.
Yes, exactly. Resolution is the ability of the microscope to distinguish 2 separate points as being separate. The higher the resolution, the clearer the image will be. Look at the teacups where one is clear and other is not. In other words, one is of higher resolution while other is not.
What a profound revelation to guide our scientific yet magical quest. Until next time.